Did you know आपके कचरे से स्कूल के बेंचेस बन सकते हैं? This is Hi, I'm अभी और कुछ ही दिनों पहले मुझे ये मिला। ये वुड से स्ट्रॉन्ग है, इससे फर्नीचर बन सकता है और ये कंप्लीटली कचरे से बना है। एंड दिस इज स्ट्रॉन्ग। You get the point. And in the next 3 minutes, I will tell you about a problem that has become a solution. India generates 1.5 million metric ton of trash every day. That's enough to build 3 Burj Khalifas every single day. आपने देवनार के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा। Mumbai's very own 14-floor mountain of trash, जिसमें हर साल आग लगती रहती है। Even Delhi has a mountain of trash. Bengaluru has lakes, and this trash problem hasn't left Ladakh alone. But wait, this video is not about problems. This video is about solutions. First, let us take a look at those people who are one step ahead of us. Raddiwalas. Newspapers, boxes, bottles, Raddiwalas collect them from you because these things can be easily recycled. But the problem is, if you break a glass bottle, a Raddiwala won't take it from you. Because broken glass की value कम हो जाती है। A Raddiwala is trying to make a living. उन्हें गारंटी नहीं होती कि उनको महीने में कितने पैसे मिलने वाले, तो वो सिर्फ ऐसी चीजें लेते हैं जिनकी वैल्यू ज्यादा होती है। एग्जिस्टिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में ऐसे कचरे को रिसाइकिल करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है। And that's where Raddi Connect comes in. What is Raddi Connect? It is a network of Raddiwalas in your city. So if you have dry waste at your home, you have to call on this number and a Raddiwala will come to you and collect that waste from you. Now the value of your waste is donated to the NGO of your choice. It's a good idea, right? So इससे किसे benefit मिलता है? You, as your waste is taken away. Raddiwalas, as they get a regular income. The government, as their load of collecting waste comes down. And the environment, as all this waste is recycled. लेकिन ये Raddi Connect का idea आया कैसे?
The whole idea came in after we actually did a small project at Devnar, where we realized that the life expectancy of the people at Devnar is 39 years. So at a household level, the biggest problem is waste segregation.
Let's take it one step at a time. Wet waste is anything natural that comes from your kitchen. It's anything that you or any animal will eat, or something that is natural that can go into the soil and that will decompose. Dry waste is anything artificial that can't decompose in the soil. This includes man-made products like plastic, paper, or any metals, even glass. When waste is not segregated, one type of waste can contaminate the other type of waste. For example, if you mix wet waste and dry waste together, your kitchen waste can contaminate something like paper, जो easily recycle हो सकता है।
लेकिन waste segregation से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I'll give you an example. So ये एक typical wrapper है, जिसमें आपको chips, biscuits या cakes मिलते हैं। This is MFP, multi-layered flexible packaging. There are multiple layers, जैसे aluminum, plastic, जिसे separate करना impossible के बराबर। But don't think of this as complete waste because our friends at Raddi Connect have made this from this. There are many wrappers compressed and formed this wood-like structure. अगर ऐसे मटेरियल से हमारा फर्नीचर बनने लगा तो पेड़ नहीं कटेंगे, हमारे कचरे का यूटिलाइजेशन हो जाएगा। I think it's a great idea. What do you think? If you like this idea, then share it with your friends.
When you separate your plastic waste, it's converted into flakes. Flakes are converted into fibers, and fibers are converted into clothes.
Something like which is being used in our Indian cricket team jerseys right now.
Imagine one day that Virat Kohli can be wearing a jersey from the plastic that you recycle. Just like Raddi Connect, there are many other organizations that help you segregate your waste. Just take a snapshot of the next slide.
Plastic bottles से bricks बन सकती हैं, Tetra Pak से benches बन सकते हैं, आपके कचरे से roads बन सकते हैं. Today, thousands of hours of manpower is wasted just separating this waste. If we separate our waste at source, these Safai Walas can get all this dry waste recycled very easily. We went to a dry waste collection plant to see how our waste is not actually wasted.
Raddi Connect is working with the government to help them in waste segregation and in recycling. It's a great example of how companies can help governments build smarter and more efficient cities.
The people you see behind me, they work really hard so that our kachra doesn't end up in the landfills. They are not kachre walas, we are kachre walas. They are safai sathis. कचरा इंडिया का काफी बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, कचरा हर जगह है, लेकिन क्या हम ऐसे सोचेंगे कि इंडिया इज इक्वल टू कचरा? बिल्कुल नहीं। उसी तरह कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, पॉवर्टी, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, पॉपुलेशन इंडिया का एक हिस्सा है, उसकी मिसाल नहीं। मूवीज में हमने सुना है कि कोई भी देश परफेक्ट नहीं होता, उसे परफेक्ट बनाना पड़ता है। पिछले 1 साल में हमने आपको 100 रीजन दिए हैं इसमें बिलीव करने के लिए कि हमारा इंडिया एक स्टेप लेकर परफेक्शन की ओर बढ़ रहा है। These are 100 stories that focus on a positive India to make you realize that there are a lot of people जो सफाई कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारे दिमाग से कचरा तो हमें ही साफ करना पड़ेगा। Our mental stigma that India is a third world country, that India can make nothing good, is the biggest problem we Indians have, and finding a solution to this problem is not a waste of time.
So, for one last time,
And that's the reason why I love India!